Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, you will see top 10 TikTok stars in India, famous TikTokers. Let's talk about TikTok is the social media video app for creating a sharing short clip scenes, comedy and talent videos. It has taken the wave by storm by enabling everyone to make and share small videos. Presently, it is one of the most downloadable apps hitting the internet after Snapchat. TikTok is the second biggest platform for creators after YouTube. Indian TikTok stars are earning money by this platform from their videos on TikTok India. Let's talk about top 10 TikTokers, famous TikTokers. First is Faisal Sheikh. Yes, first is Faisal Sheikh who has 23 million followers. Mr. Faisal is one of the most famous TikTok stars. He holds a great fan following from TikTok and his Instagram, revealing the TikTok star name in the real world. Mr. Faisal real is Sheikh Mudassir Faisal. And he has gained over 23 million fans on TikTok. Now, second is Riaz Afrin, who has 21.1 million followers. With 21.1 million followers on TikTok, Riaz Afrin is also a part of the number one TikTok star in India. He has over 3 million followers on Instagram and also known as Riaz Ali. He is popular for his humor, lip syncs and dancing skills. Riaz is now a verified grandmaster of the app. And this popular TikTok star name, his journey has been wonderful. Now third is Jannat Zubair, who has 19.4 million followers. Jannat Zubair Rahman is the TikTok actress name and TikTok famous girl in India who holds the third position on the list of TikTok star name list as the most popular TikTok star, and she is the most famous female TikTok star. Jannat is also an Indian film television actress. She gained publicity and fame mainly through series on Colors TV which name is Fulwa. Now next is Awais Darbar, who has 17.4 million followers. The founder and director of the company ACE Production, Awais Darbar holds over 17.4 million followers on TikTok and 3 million followers on Instagram. One of the top 10 TikToker in India is choreographer and dancer. Now next number is Nisa Gurgen, who has 16.7 million followers. Nisa Gurgen is widely known on TikTok for her famous acting and lip sync skills. Another one from the famous TikTok stars mainly post lip sync videos on famous topics. Nisa is a rising TikTok star in India with 16.7 million followers. The TikTok actress is also known as Angel Nisu, which is her nickname. Now next number is Garima Chaurasia, who has 15.9 million followers. Also famous as Gima Asi. Garima Chaurasia is a TikTok star India who got popularity. One of her video, both Heart song dance video, went viral over all social media channels. She has over 15.9 million followers on her TikTok account. Garima usually makes most of her TikTok videos with her friend named Ruggies Winnie. Now next number is Avneet Kaur, who has 13 million followers. An Indian television actress and one of the top 3 finalists of Dance India Dance Little Master 2010 in the list of famous TikTokers. Avneet Kaur is getting good popularity on TikTok and Instagram. She is an actress, fashion influencer, dancer, YouTuber and writer by her profession. Now next number is Arisfa Khan, who has 14.4 million followers. Holding 14.4 million followers, Arisfa Khan is a television actress, best TikToker is in Indian and a social media star. The TikToker's name is in list of Indian TikTokers who started young as a child actress in 2012 with a famous television shows Ek Veer Ki Ardas. Now next number is Lucky Dancer, who has 12.7 million followers. For his dancing and lip sync videos, Lucky Dancer has gained total of 12.7 million fans on TikTok. The TikToker name in real life is Arhan Khan. He is just 18 years old and he gained his this much fan following at this early age. One of the top TikTok stars in India and deserved to be top 10 TikToker star in India, has duets with famous creators including Mrunal Panchal and Garima Chaurasia. Now next and last, Manjul Khattar, who has 12.3 million followers. Manjul has gathered 12.3 million followers via his TikTok videos. He has been officially given a comedian tag with the crown on the application. TikToker's name produces variety on content, whether it is comedy, dance, duet, or solo act. He has been seen collaborating with other TikTok stars also. So in this video, you will get our top 10 TikTokers of India. Hope you like this video, and like, comment, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.